Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I promised that I would be coming back, so here I am with another tutorial. So as I mentioned before, one of my best friend's wedding is actually next weekend, and so I was kind of practicing some looks that I wanted to do for her reception. So this is what I came up with, and this is definitely what I'm going to be wearing. So if you guys want to see this look and how I achieved it, just keep on watching. So I'm prepping my skin with this Aveeno Max Glow Infusion Drops, and I'm just going to rub that in gently while kind of massaging my face. Now I'm going to reach for the Embryolisse Late Creme. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's basically a moisturizer. I'm also using it as my primer because it really serves as a nice sticky base for the foundation. I'm now using the LA Girl Pro Cosmetics color corrector in orange because I have really dark under eye circles, and also the space around my chin and my mouth area is also darker. I'm adding this L'Oreal concealer just to kind of make it more of a peach color. I think that sometimes the orange can be really overpowering, and the product is a little bit stickier, so it's going to help it apply more flawlessly, in my opinion. And also when you put on foundation, it's not really like an orange hue under your face. Now I'm taking the Huda Beauty, I think this is a Pro Filter foundation in the color Amaretti. So I know it looks a little bit lighter for my skin, but don't worry, this foundation tends to oxidize on the skin, so it will get darker, and then when I add my cream contour and my bronzer and everything, it'll really even out and it looks like it matches my skin. I'm using the Beauty Blender just to kind of buff it out. So this is definitely a full coverage foundation, so if you're looking for that perfect look for more fancy occasions, I would definitely recommend using this foundation. So I'm just going ahead and buffing that all in. Now I'm just adding a little bit more for some coverage, and I'm adding the e.l.f. booster drops just to make it a little bit more glowy and look a little bit more natural, add some more life into the foundation. So I don't know, you guys can tell me how it actually worked out. Now I'm taking the LA Pro Girl, what is this called? Is this a concealer? I don't know. Anyways, so this is in the color Toast, and I'm putting it on my forehead and on my jawline. I'm also trying to contour my nose. My nose is asymmetrical. I think I was younger and I fell, and anyways, it's never been the same. It's fine. I'm taking a darker contour and just doing the hollows of my cheeks. It's the Revolution makeup, I don't know, concealer. Anyways, here I'm like buffing, but I was really having issues, but don't worry, you can always clean stuff up. You'll see me later cleaning it up. I know it looks a little bit extreme. It actually ended up going a little bit lower than I expected, so you'll see me go in with my concealer, my L'Oreal concealer, just clean it up a bit. But I do like the way this looks. It looks a little bit more natural than having a powder, and as you can see, I'm starting to look a little bit more my color. I'm just going over it with a beauty blender to blend everything away. As you can see, I'm cleaning it up, so I'm just blending that out. I'm making that cut right under my contour a lot cleaner. Now I'm just taking the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and just setting under my contour and on my forehead. Now I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium, and I'm doing kind of that triangle under my eyes. I'm also prepping my eyelids with the concealer for eyeshadow. I'm going to just go ahead and blend that out with my Beauty Blender. I love the Beauty Blender. I use it for everything. It's probably super dirty. Excuse me. Probably need to get a new one, but that's fine. And I like to have a really bright under eye, so as you can see, it is pretty bright. And I'm just blending out my nose. I'm going to go ahead and bake with the powder, so I'm going to add a lot and just keep it on there for a while. It was getting in my contacts, so I was kind of having some issues, but still fine. Okay, now I'm doing my eyebrows. This is not something I usually do. Honestly, I don't love filling my eyebrows. I'm just doing it because that's what everyone else tends to be doing. But yeah, sometimes when you put on foundation, it does wash out your eyebrows. So I'm just kind of going back with the brown shadow and kind of just going over my eyebrows. Now I'm taking the e.l.f. bronzer and I'm going ahead in my crease, and I'm gonna eventually, this is so fast, oh my god, eventually I'm just gonna put it all over my lid. But I really like this color. I think it's really natural. I'm also going to use it as my powder bronzer, so it kind of ties the colors of the face together, in my opinion. I'm taking this little neutral shadow, and I'm just buffing that out. I'm taking the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill. I know she's canceled, but it's fine. I like this shadow palette. I'm not going to stop using it. And I'm using this color called Scarlet, and I'm just putting that onto my lid. I love matte shadows for some reason. like more than shiny shadows. I don't know. I just haven't gotten into it yet. But anyways, I'm just gonna take my buffing brush and buff it out a little bit. And I've done the other side. I'm taking that same bronzer and just setting my cream contour with it, as you can see. So I'm looking really bronze right now. It's a whole brown look. It's very 90s in my opinion. Trendy. Look at me being so trendy. And then I'm just buffing away my powder bake. As you can see. I'm going to go ahead and spray. The clip got cut off. It's fine. I'm using the Inglot black eyeliner. And I'm lining my waterline. And I'm going a little bit under the waterline as well. And now I'm going to, because I'm putting on falsies, I'm just going to put kind of like just like a tape measure. I don't know. What's the word? I'm so bad at these voiceovers. I need to get better. Anyways, I'm smoking at the bottom with that same eyeshadow I put on the lid. And I'm using this amazing Tarte blush, which I'm obsessed with. It's in the color Dazzled, and it's this like perfect mauve color. It's really great for brown skin tones. I'm using the Ardell Wispies, and I'm putting them on. Okay, fun fact, I used to be really bad at eyelashes, and now I can do them so fast. So I'm really proud of myself. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial, let me know. Now I'm just taking mascara to meld my real lashes with my fake lashes, and I'm doing my bottom lash line, making sure that looks nice. Now I'm taking the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner and just going over so you can't really see where the band of the falsies are, and then it just also makes it darker and shinier. Now I'm taking this NYX lip pencil. It's a pinky color I really like. I'm just going to line my lips, and I'll actually fill them in as well. It's nice and pink. Looking good. Then I'm taking my MAC Whirl lipstick, my favorite lipstick, and I'm putting that on top. I think this is a really pretty combo. And I'm just setting my face. I'm dancing. I'm dancing. Oh, girl. You go, girl. Yeah. That's it. Get it? Okay. Enough. So anyways, now I'm taking this shiny shadow and I'm using it as my highlight, and woo, this is a blinding, girlfriend. Okay, yeah, I'm going under my eyebrow and on top, just to make it look more natural. Like, you know, like this look is super natural. Gotta make it look natural. Anyways, I love using my finger for my nose contour. My nose is asymmetrical, so yeah. Hey guys, so that was my completed look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope it was easy for you guys to see stuff. Definitely give me feedback on if it was clear enough for you, if you like this background, if you were able to see everything. I would love to know and improve as you guys give feedback. But yeah, so this is the makeup look. Please excuse my eyebrows. I'm getting them done, but I'm waiting to get them done because my friend's wedding is next weekend. So I want to do it have the freshest eyebrows, as possible, so they're a little gray right now because I'm growing them out, but that's okay. But yeah, definitely be sure to look out for the pictures of my final look with my lehenga and my jewelry and my hair. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna do it, so if you guys have any suggestions with this makeup definitely let me know. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed that, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.